Space, the final frontier. Space, it's dark, it's mysterious, it's full of stars and planets. It's the ultimate adventure. We've sent rockets and astronauts into space. We've even landed on the moon. But what about slime? What happens to our favorite gooey substance in zero gravity? Let's find out. Space is full of wonders just waiting to be explored. Imagine floating weightlessly among the stars, or gazing down at our blue planet from afar. That's the magic of space. And guess what? We're going to bring some slime along for the ride. Slime is awesome. It's one of those things that can keep you entertained for hours. It's gooey, it's stretchy, and it feels so satisfying to pull and stretch. And let's not forget, it makes the best squishy sounds that are oddly satisfying to hear. But what exactly is slime? Have you ever wondered what makes it so unique and fun to play with? Slime is a type of material called a polymer. Polymers are fascinating because they have properties that are different from other materials. Polymers are made up of long chains of molecules. These chains can be arranged in various ways, giving the polymer different characteristics. These chains can slide past each other, making slime both liquid and solid at the same time. This is why slime can flow like a liquid, but also hold its shape like a solid. That's what gives slime its unique texture. It's a perfect blend of fluidity and firmness. Kids love slime because it's fun to play with. You can poke it, stretch it, and mold it into different shapes. The possibilities are endless. And if you add special ingredients, you can even make it change colors. Imagine the excitement of seeing your slime transform right before your eyes. Slime is also a great way to learn about science. It's a hands-on experience that makes learning fun and interactive. By mixing different ingredients, you can create slime with different properties. Some slimes are more stretchy, while others are more bouncy or sticky. It's like magic, only it's science. You can experiment with different recipes and see how changing one ingredient can alter the entire slime. This makes it a fantastic educational tool. You can even add glitter, beads, or other fun elements to make your slime even more exciting. The creative possibilities are endless. Whether you're a kid or an adult, slime offers a unique way to relax and have fun. It's a simple yet incredibly versatile material that brings joy to everyone who plays with it. So next time you see a slime kit, give it a try. You might just find yourself getting lost in the fun and science of slime. Ready to dive into the world of slime? Grab a slime kit today and start your own fun and educational adventure. Making slime on Earth is easy and fun. It's a popular activity for kids and adults alike, providing a hands-on way to explore creativity and science. All you need is some glue, borax, water, and a few other simple ingredients you probably already have at home. And if you want to get fancy, you can add food coloring to make your slime any color you like. You can even mix colors to create a unique shade. First, mix the glue and water together in a bowl. This forms the base of your slime. Then, add the borax solution slowly, mixing continuously until you get the perfect slime consistency. The more you mix, the better the slime will be. It's like a science experiment in your own kitchen. You can see the chemical reaction happening right before your eyes. But here's the thing about Earth gravity. It's a force we often take for granted. Gravity is the force that pulls everything down. It's what keeps us grounded and makes sure objects fall when dropped. It's why we don't float away. Without gravity, our world would be very different. And it also affects how slime behaves. On Earth, slime will slowly ooze downwards due to gravity. But what happens when we take away gravity? In a zero-gravity environment, slime behaves in fascinating ways. Without the pull of gravity, slime can float and move in all directions. It becomes a whole new kind of experiment. Let's find out more about how slime behaves in space. Astronauts on the International Space Station have conducted experiments with slime to see how it reacts in microgravity. The results are both educational and entertaining. In space, slime can form unusual shapes and move in ways that are impossible on Earth. It's a great way to learn about the properties of materials and the effects of gravity. Watching these experiments can inspire kids and adults to learn more about science and the world around them. So next time you make slime, think about how it would behave in space. You can even get slime kits designed to teach you about the science behind slime and gravity. It's a fun and educational activity for all ages. Just remember to clean up after your slime-making adventure. Slime can be messy, but it's all part of the fun. So go ahead, get creative, and enjoy your slime-making experience. Who knows, you might just discover something new. And always keep wondering about the amazing ways things can change when you take them out of this world. Happy sliming! Imagine you're an astronaut strapped into a rocket ready for blast off. The engines roar and you feel the force pushing you upwards. You're on your way to the International Space Station, a giant laboratory orbiting Earth. And guess what you brought with you? That's right, slime! The journey to space is a bumpy one. The rocket shakes and vibrates as it climbs higher and higher. But our slime is safe and sound, tucked away in a special container. It's about to experience something truly amazing: zero gravity. Welcome to the International Space Station, a marvel of human engineering. Here, things are a little different from what we know on Earth. There's no up or down, and everything floats effortlessly. Astronauts have to learn how to move around in this strange, weightless environment. And so does our slime. Remember gravity from school? Well, in space, there's very little of it. It's called microgravity, and it's fascinating. And in microgravity, slime behaves in some pretty weird and wonderful ways, unlike anything on Earth. Floating and blobbing, how microgravity affects slime. Without gravity pulling it down, slime in space floats. Imagine a world where the rules of gravity don't apply. That's what happens to slime in the microgravity environment of space. Instead of being pulled down to the ground, it hovers and drifts, creating a mesmerizing display. It forms into a wobbly sphere like a little green planet. This spherical shape is due to surface tension, which becomes the dominant force in the absence of gravity. The slime's molecules are pulled equally in all directions, creating a perfect wobbly sphere. You can poke it and prod it, and it will jiggle and wobble, but never lose its shape. It's like magic. But that's not all. The tactile experience of interacting with slime in space is unlike anything on Earth. Each touch sends ripples through the blob, yet it remains cohesive, almost as if it has a mind of its own. Remember how slime is both a liquid and a solid? This dual nature is even more pronounced in microgravity. The lack of gravitational force allows the slime to transition between states more fluidly, showcasing its unique properties in a whole new light. Well, in microgravity, that gets even weirder. The slime's behavior becomes unpredictable and fascinating. It can stretch and compress in ways that defy our usual understanding of physics. Slime can flow like a liquid, forming long, stretchy strands. These strands can extend and twist, creating intricate patterns that are both beautiful and strange. It's a dance of molecules, free from the constraints of gravity. But it can also hold its shape like a solid, creating fascinating formations. These formations can be stable and rigid, almost like sculptures floating in mid-air. The interplay between the liquid and solid states is a captivating sight. It's like nothing you've ever seen before. The unique environment of space allows slime to exhibit behaviors that are impossible on Earth. It's a reminder of how different and wondrous the universe can be, and how much we have yet to discover. So next time you play with slime, imagine what it would be like in the vast expanse of space. Did you know this about space? Space is full of amazing facts. Did you know that the International Space Station travels at a speed of 17,500 miles per hour? That means it orbits the Earth 16 times a day. That's a lot faster than a jet plane. And here's another fun fact. Astronauts on the space station get to see 16 sunrises and sunsets every day. Imagine waking up to a new sunrise every 90 minutes. That's life in space for you. Playing with slime in space is super cool, but did you know that it's also helpful for science? By studying how slime behaves in microgravity, scientists can learn more about the properties of fluids and polymers. This knowledge can help us create new materials and technologies here on Earth. For example, understanding how fluids behave in space is important for designing better spacecraft and satellites. And learning about polymers can help us develop new types of adhesives, coatings, and even artificial tissues. Astronauts on the International Space Station have conducted all sorts of cool experiments with slime. They've tested how slime flows in different temperatures and pressures. They've even used slime to study how liquids mix in microgravity. It's all part of the amazing scientific research happening in space. These experiments help us unlock the secrets of space and learn more about our universe. Who knows what other amazing discoveries await us as we continue to explore the cosmos? Slime, space, and the power of science. So there you have it. Slime in space is not only fun to play with, but it's also a valuable tool for scientific research. By studying how slime behaves in microgravity, we can learn more about the world around us and develop new technologies that benefit everyone. So next time you make slime, remember that you're not just creating a gooey mess. You're also exploring the wonders of science. Who knows? Maybe one day you'll be the one sending slime into space. Don't forget to subscribe for more exciting science experiments in space.